I'm Erica. I'm from Bowling Green, Ohio, and in 2 years, I've lost 150 pounds. I have really struggled with weight in one form or another since I was a kid. Even was bullied so severely that I ended up having to switch schools going into junior high. And that really set me up to be pretty down on myself through junior high and high school. I attempted to lose weight. I lost about 50 pounds, but after I graduated from college, I found that going to a desk job and not being as active as I was really started putting on weight pretty quickly. 2 years ago, I was at my heaviest ever weight. I was at 315 pounds, and I realized that I was past the point of just needing to eat a little better and start walking a little bit more. When I got to the point when I was starting to have some uncomfortable conversations with my doctor where, she was concerned, I was pre-diabetic, I had high cholesterol, I was treating food like an addict treats drugs or alcohol. I was thinking about it all the time, trying to find any opportunity to eat. I knew I had to change my habits. I started seeing a personal trainer once a week for 30 minutes. After working out and getting fit in other ways, tried running. I set a goal very quickly to just be able to run 3 miles without walking. And I got to the point where I was ready to run my first 5K. I was able to cross that finish line. Since then, I've run 3 or 4 10Ks, 2 half marathons, and a month ago I signed up for my first full marathon, which I still can't believe I signed up for that. So as I've lost weight, I've had to replace my wardrobe 4 or 5 times. The first time it's very exciting, the second time it's pretty exciting, and then all of a sudden it's a little overwhelming, and I started just buying the same things over and over again in smaller sizes. When it comes to hair and makeup, I have not changed the length of my hair, the style of my hair. In makeup, I go to what I know. Very simple, mascara. Sometimes I'll go crazy and have a red lip, but that's about it. I'm so proud of myself and everything I've accomplished over the past 2 years, and I think now it's time to celebrate with a new look.
Mally sent over everything that I need for the makeover. She also made me videos and instructions so I know exactly what I'm doing with my hair, my makeup, and my outfits.
Let's talk about some clothes.
Ooh, that's cute.
We want to maybe try some different looks, some different outfits, some different styles that maybe you've never been able to try before.
I would never put this on without stylist Mally.
I'm gonna send you over some looks that we put together from our friends at Banana Republic. We're gonna accessorize you, we're gonna get you some shoes, and we're gonna figure out what's best.
I'm really loving this skirt.
We're gonna take that beautiful hair with those roots that have grown out, and we are gonna give you a fabulous brand new color.
I trust you, Mally. We'll see how this goes. Apply a liberal amount of the Color Defense Intense Moisture Conditioner on your face and skin around your hairline in order to protect your skin from staining from the dye. Divide your hair into 4 equal quadrants. Got my 4 sections. This looks so good. Mix the hair color. Use the brush to apply the 6W mixture to your roots and about 2 to 3 inches of your hair. Take the 7W mixture and apply that to the bottom of your blonde hair using the brush. We've got a timer set for 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna rinse it out and see if I managed to do this. Okay, so hair is rinsed. I haven't really seen the result. It is much darker than it was before. So let's take a peek here at what she wants me to do next.
Okay, Miss Erica, it's makeup time, girl. I want you to just take the foundation and only put it where you need it. You're gonna take your concealer, just go ahead and gently pat it out. Take your pencil, that's where your brow is gonna begin. Short, feathery strokes.
This looks so good. I cannot wait to see the whole look.
Let's take a look at Erica, down 150 pounds, getting ready to run a marathon. Let's see her, come on, that's the before, of course. Oh! Wow, shut the door. Hi, Errol, you look amazing. Amazing. My gosh. Can you speak? No. This is the first time ever.